Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can move a document from Google Docs to your Google Drive automatically. So let us get started right away. It is very simple. So head over to your document on Google Docs. So as you can see, I've been working on a test document like this. So basically what you will need to do, guys, here in Google Docs is click on that icon at the top here, move, next to that auto cloud saving icon. So click on move here. And after that, Google Docs will ask you for the location where you'd like to save your document in, like for example, in a specific location in your Google Drive account. So you may, for example, go with one of these folders here in the suggested list, or you may, for instance, click on the current location and select a folder, for example, from your Google Drive. As you can see, my Google Drive features these folders, so it is connected. Also, of course, guys, make sure that you're logged in with the same Google account here in Google Docs as well as on Google Drive, which should be pretty self-explanatory. And after that, simply select the given folder, or if you'd like to create a new one, simply click on that button here to create a new one in your Google Drive. So let me go, for example, with that untitled folder here. Click on move here to the right to move the given document to that folder, and Google Drive will automatically move the file from Docs to the new location. You may undo it, for example, by clicking on that button here, or dismiss this notification. And if I head over to my Google Drive and, for example, refresh the page, you will see that the given file has been moved into that folder. So if I enter that folder, you will see that the test document has been successfully saved in my Google Drive. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.